Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
We will not engage in a discussion with the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa. I mean, which ANC? The ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa.
And would you go into commission with the ANC?
The ANC of Ramaphosa, definitely not.
So you would consider...
Umubuka lama video amabili ungaconclude ngokuthi angeke i-ANC izisebenzisane ne-MKP as long as uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa esesekhona ngoba baze bayibiza nge-ANC kaRamaphosa. Ezinye zezizathu ezenza ukuthi i-MKP iluze KZN ngoba yayingafuni ukuhlangana ne-ANC. Kodwa ke kuye kuthiwa kwezepolitiki there is no permanent enemy and there is no permanent friend. Ngoba abantu babangabangani namhlanje babe ngama-brothers babe yiyo yonke into. Kusasa labantu bathukane kube sengathi abakaze bazana. Kukhona abantu abathukana namhlanje uthole kusasa sebehlangene baphila ndawonye. Politiki ke leyo. Uyathi umbomvu ipolitiki umdlalo wamaxoki. Ngikhuluma kanjena nje kunelethe ebhalwe i-MKP ibhalela i-ANC. Khumbula ukuthi ngoDisemba ngomhla ka-15 kwaba khona i-motion of no confidence or vote of no confidence against uPremier waKwaZulu Natal okubaba uThamsanqa Ntuli. Lapho khona i-EFF kanye ne-MKP bebambisene babekhulume ne-NFP wabajikela ke lo mama kuthiwa uMbalishinga. Kwasuka ingxabano enkulu ngoba engasasigcinanga isivumelwane futhi engawulalelanga umyalelo weqembu lakhe lokuthi bavote ne-MKP. Njengoba bekune State of the Nation address esikhulunywa uPresident Ramaphosa kuthe ngesikhathi sekunama debate bebelokhu bethi ama-members we-MKP mabe refera kubaba uThamsanqa Ntuli bethi usabambile nje isikhashana kodwa uzophuma lapha yana kubeni uPrem. Ngakho kusho ukuthi bazokwenza ngakho konke okusemandleni noma bazozama imizamo yokuthi bahlangane nama-political parties athize babe i-majority bese bayamkhipha uNtuli. Ngikhuluma nawe nje sizofunda iletha ebhalwe i-MKP icela ukuhlangana ne-ANC ukuze babe kwi-coalition. So masifunda iqeda kufunda iletha bese ngiyakutshela isizathu esokwenza ukuthi lo mhlangano wabungabi impumelelo. Ngizokutshela mina isizathu mahala ngeke ngikhokhise imali. Lethi iphuma kwi-office le-presidency i-MKP. Iya ku-Secretary General we-African National Congress uComrade Fikile Mbalula. Base they copied i-ANC PTT Provincial Convener okuComrade uJeff Hadebe kanye no-coordinator uComrade Mike Mabuyakhulu. Bayibhale ngomhla ka-22 kuFebruary 2026. I-subject yakhona ithi Invitation to participate in coalition government discussions KwaZulu Natal revolutionary greetings. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party conveys its fraternal greetings to your respective leadership structures. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party MKP has been engaged in meetings with the National Freedom Party NFP and Economic Freedom Fighters EFF to discuss the constitution of a new coalition government in KwaZulu Natal. These discussions are ongoing and form part of the effort to establish a stable, inclusive and effective governance framework for the province. In the spirit of cooperation and inclusive political engagement, we hereby formally invite the African National Congress, ANC, to participate in these discussions. The proposed date for the next engagement is 7 March 2026, with the time and venue to confirmed in due course. We would like to appreciate confirmation of your delegation and availability at your earliest convenience. We trust that our participation will add meaningful value to the process. We look forward to your positive response to a constructive engagement in the interest of the people of KwaZulu Natal. Revolutionary regards. Beyaveza ukuthi isayinwe electronically isayinwa uComrade Tony Yengeni second Deputy President Umkhonto weSizwe Party.
Riots, anarchy. You know, the closest this country has come to a knife edge situation was with the death of Chris Hani. I think we're right back there.
What
And people are
information are you privy to, Gayton? Can you share some of that with us?
Yeah, I can share with you because people are, business needs to stay out of these talks. Business has been dominating these talks. Business has been wanting their agenda to be pushed in these talks. Business has been relentless in marrying, in arranging this forced marriage between the D and the ANC. None of them really want it. Believe me when I tell you, I speak to people in the D, I speak to people in the ANC. But business is putting its foot down and say, you will marry, but they don't understand the repercussions. What they are busy doing, there's two things. The soft repercussion is that they are making Jacob Zuma the most powerful man in this country again, because I can tell you 25% of the ANC to 30% will leave instantly and they'll go to MK. And that's for him, for Jacob Zuma. That's the best situation for the D and ANC to get together. The worst situation for this country, the worst one, is that you cannot do what they're doing. The island's 45%, which is still being disputed by the very same 45%. They say that we were more. They're trying to put a coalition that excludes Jacob Zuma. Business needs to leave this obsession to see Jacob Zuma hang from a tree. Make peace that the people love Jacob Zuma despite all the efforts that has been done. Let's move on. Let's put the country first. Stay out of this thing where you want to arrange anything. So for business, the country can go to hell as long as Jacob Zuma is not part of it. And people are so scared to talk about it. Political parties can see it. They say it behind closed doors because they can't say it like I'm saying it because they get funded by these people. I don't get funded by these people. So I'm saying to you that we need to be very smart. We need to have cool heads. Why is the cops not admitting to the media that they've put
Izathu esenza ukuthi ngithi lezi ngxoxo ezanywa iMKP la ukuthi bahlangane neANC kuze kuphathi kwaZulu Natal angeke zibe impumelelo ngoba ama-funders awafuni lutho neJacob Zuma. So iMKP noma athiwa akusuye uJacob Zuma yena personal kodwa ngenxa ukuthi ngeyakhe awafuni lutho njengoba umuzi uGayton ethi business yenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi uJacob Zuma angasondele emandleni. Yingakho Helen Zille ethi bakufuneka basave abantu bakaZulu Natal ngoba babengeke bekwazi ukunikela ezinjeni ukuthi baphathwe iEFF kanye neMKP kwakuzoba idisaster for iprovince. So kwakufuneka ba-intervene. So as long as iANC isafandwa yilabo abayifandayo ngoba ibona abantu kahle kahle abathatha inqumo. Abantu okuyibona bona barana icountry ibusiness. Ngoba yonke into yenziwa for ukujabulisa labantu okuthiwa ibusiness. Yibona abalawula yonke. As long as besafandwa yilabantu labo angeke izilunge lento abazama ukuyenza ngoba abafuni lutho ezothatha uJacob Zuma noma yini kaJacob Zuma isondeze emandleni. Iyona into enza ukuthi ke ngithi kunzima kakhulu. Yingakho ngithe ngeke lezi ngxoxo zibe impumelelo. Yebo kona bangazama noma ngathiwa kufika isikhathi lapho khona iANC noJacob Zuma bathelelana amanzi bayabuyisana. Kodwa ayikhonkoti nethambo. Sisho njalo isiZulu. Inkinga uma bengase bethatha isinqumo esithi cha sizosebenza neMKP ukuze siphathi kwaZulu Natal bazobe bazigcobe ngetshe ngaphambili ngoba abezukwathola ama-funds. Nansi into ebuhlungu ilento esho uGayton Mackenzie ukuthi ibusiness ngomthetho fana ngabe iyaphuma kulento zepolitiki kodwa ibusiness obsessed and ikhathazekile ngoba ayimfuni uJacob Zuma eduze kwamandla. Iyazi ukuthi uma ngathiwa kuhlangana icoalition yeANC neMKP baphathi kwaZulu Natal noma ngathi uJacob Zuma useyihlalele ekhaya uretire emdala ngoba vele upresident. Phela uJacob Zuma uyazi ukuthi uma engase kuthiwa uyimember yeparliament akayini president nje ama benefits okuba president uzowaluza. Ngiyacabanga phela uzowaluza angaqhubeka kanjani athole ama benefits okugadwa njoba phela usatreatwa njengopresident. Usatreatwa njengopresident. Bese kuthiwa member of parliament futhi noma ngathiwa yena akusuye kodwa uthufaka abantu abathize as long as i-political party kungeyakhe angeke ibhizinisi ikuvume lokho ngoba ayimfuni yena eduze kwamandla. Elokho ebengikusho nje ngithi ngifuna ukukutshela khona ukuthi yebo khona ingxoxo ngiyabona ukuthi zikhona kodwa ukuthi zibe impumelelo amathuba kawekho ngenxa ukuthi ibhizinisi ayifuni lutho elifaka uJacob Zuma eduze kwamandla. Uyakhumbula and okwesibili noma ngathiwa iMKP izama ukuyokhuluma ne-IFP kuyofuneka yazi iIFP ukuthi izoluza amandla nationally. Uma engasithi nje ihlangana neMKP bakhanda ilokhuzana coalition kwaZulu Natal funa yazi ukuthi izoluza amandla nationally. Noma kuthiwa bayathanda ngoba bebo babili bangaba icoalition right kwaZulu Natal kodwa angeke bekwazi ukuhlangana ngenxa ukuthi ayikhonkoti nethambo. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Cela ukuphawula kwakho la comment section. Ungasupporta ngokujoin i-membership yale channel iqala ku R20 ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Ungasupporta ngosidonatela noma ngamalini. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Usubscribe, ucomment, ushare ngiyafisa ukuphawula kwakho.